In this video, I will show you how to quickly use my Git repo with ESP32CAM microcontroller. It has all the necessary changes already done for the person detection model. I did fork the Expressif library, which was forked from the official TensorFlow models library in the first place. Let's go to the commits option to see the changes I have done. You can see that I have already made some changes which include added camera drivers, activate AI Thinker camera for ESP32CAM in menu config, solved some build errors for memset, external RAM settings, added code for LED blinking along with the person detection, added time taken for each prediction. You can download using this git clone command. It will take some time. Once done, you are good to go. You don't have to worry yourself about fixing the settings anymore. Let's open the person detection example and walk through the code. This is the C array obtained from the TensorFlow TF Lite machine learning model. I'm using the 3 MB of external SPI RAM of ESP32CAM. You can further increase it to 4 MB. Using a very light machine learning model with only 2D convolution layers and average pool. Printing here the time elapsed during each prediction. Here is the code for blinking red and green LEDs which are connected to pins 2 and 14 respectively. Each LED, either red or green depending on the prediction, will glow for 100 milliseconds. Now quickly build, flash and monitor the code. Make sure that the jumper GPIO 0 is connected to the ground when flashing the code and disconnected when monitoring the outputs. You have to press the reset button on the back side of ESP32CAM also during flashing and monitoring the code. Great, you can see the picture is being captured and some scores are coming for person and no person. The code is written in a way that the probability of detecting a person is converted to an 8-bit unsigned integer value. This means a probability of 0 to 1 is converted to an 8-bit unsigned integer value between 0 and 255. Also, the time elapsed for the prediction with the current machine learning model is 920 milliseconds. If you take more layers in the machine learning model, then this time will increase. As you can see, when the person score is greater, the green LED glows for 1 second. This is when the camera is detecting a person in the frame. Green LED glows when I'm pointing the camera right at me. When I move the camera away, the red LED is glowing again for 1 second. 920 milliseconds, which is less than 1 second, is not ideal in context of high-end PC or Raspberry Pi, but considering such a low power of a microcontroller, predicting an image in less than 1 second is still a great feat. So this is how you can use an ESP32CAM microcontroller to detect a person in an image. You can modify this task to detect anything else of your choice in an image, whether it is a vehicle, animal or anything else. But of course, you have to first replace the C array in this code with your machine learning model C array file.